Felton South near our property, but we thought you all would like costuming here with the big equipment. We hope you have a nice day. Are you Princess Anna or a fireman, Ashton? And Dylan, what are you wearing for Halloween? Bodhi, you've got a lot of choices. And Hazel, what are you going to wear? Your mommy wore a little ghost costume when she was your age, and she cried and cried and cried. So we hope you don't cry and hope you have a happy Halloween. Papa?
Hi, grandkids. We're out here on the property in Felton South. We got up before sunrise, went out and my grandma took sunrise pictures, and so then we decided to come out and look at the property. It's amazing. It's full of Christmas trees.
Lots of Christmas trees,
Great
all sizes.
Great big Christmas trees. So if you all were here, we can cut a Christmas tree for Christmas and off the property. We love you and hope you have a great Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Bye-bye.
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 Boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see. This is our town. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. Pumpkins scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween. Everybody make a scene. Trick or treat. Silly neighbors on a giant fight. It's our town. Everybody scream. In this town of Halloween.
I am the one hiding under your bed. Teeth ground sharp and eyes glowing red.
I am the one hiding under your stairs. Fingers like snake and spiders in my hair.
This is Halloween. This is Halloween. Halloween, 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 Halloween. This town we call home. Everyone hail to the pumpkin song. In this town, don't we love it now? Everybody's waiting for the next surprise. Round that corner, man, hiding in the trash, and something's waiting that will pounce and how you'll scream.
It's Halloween!
Red and black. I'm green. Aren't you scared? Well, that's okay.
Everybody scream! Everybody scream! In this town of Halloween.
I am the clown with the tearaway face, here in a flash and gone without a trace.
I am the who called.
I am the wind blowing through your